Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most everyone welcome. So congratulations to Celo Buthelezi, popularly known as Tobias on Skeem Saam or Teddy on Gomorrah. He's expecting his first child with his girlfriend, and a lot of people are bashing him for impregnating a girl before getting married, and that he's only 25 years old. And the next thing that we're going to hear is the girl being a single mother. I don't know what you guys think, but I think for once people should just say congratulations and then keep quiet. We know he's getting gigs, he's acting, he's a singer, he's got money to take care of. The age doesn't matter in this instance because he's working. I'm sure he's doing good. I pray that he marries the girl, and from the look of things you can actually see that they are going somewhere, and soon we're going to see him committing. I don't know why he didn't want to get married first, because he has the money. On Podcast and Chill, he said he bought a house at Stain City. So he's got all the money. I don't know why he decided to just go with the baby shower first and then marriage probably next year or so. We don't know when he's going to get married. But for once, I think it's a good thing. Age is just a number, because if he's actually staying alone, he has got his money, he's working and stuff. I don't see why people are saying he's only 25. I don't know what you guys think. 25-year-olds are too young to get married, because people are saying soon we're going to see them fighting, we're going to see them divorcing, we're going to see something. I don't know why people are saying that. They don't. In this instance, is at least we should just have some positive vibes, but rather people are throwing all shades and all negative comments on this thing of him marrying a girl who is like in her early 20s. Someone said she is like 21, 22, somewhere there. I don't know what you guys think about him marrying, him having a baby shower before marriage and impregnating a girl and being 25-year-old. Let me know in the comment section what you think. See you in my next video. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed, and please click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video.